Jen, life insurance. Ayoko niyan. Para lang yan sa patay-patay. Wala rin akong mapapala.
I understand you, Ma'am Rose, because isa yan sa madalas na maling akala tungkol sa life insurance. But did you know that life insurance is not just for death benefits? It's also a powerful tool for living benefits. With the right plan, it can provide health coverage, savings or investments, funds for your future goals, whether that's for retirement, starting a business, or preparing for your child's education.
Hala talaga, Jen. Totoo ba yan? How does it work?
Imagine this, Ma'am Rose, you get an insurance policy and use it to build a fund for your dreams. For example, para sa negosyo na matagal mo nang gustong simulan or sa pangarap mong mapagtapos si Sandro, di ba sabi mo gusto mo siyang maging doktor paglaki niya?
Ma'am Rose got an insurance policy and fast forward years later.
Good morning, Ma'am Rose. As promised, I'm here to deliver Sandro's education fund.
Salamat, Jen, at sa Sun Life, dahil natulungan niyo akong ihanda ang future naming mag-ina. Ngayon, matutupad na ni Sandro ang pangarap niyang maging doktor.
Thank you, Tita Jen and Sun Life. This will be more than enough for my education and... Of course, thank you, Mommy, you are the best. Promise ko po magkakaroon ka ng isang magaling na doctor someday.
Sa mga tulad ko na hesitant kumuha ng life insurance, huwag kayong matakot. Mag-avail at magplano para sa future nyo. Life insurance is not just for protection against death or sickness, it's also the fuel that powers your dreams.
Your dream today, secured tomorrow.
Get insured now.